If your internet is not working as it should, here are some tips to troubleshoot common internet connection in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. Start by checking your hardware. Ensure all cables are securely plugged in and look for any damaged Ethernet or power cords. Next, restart your modem and router by turning them off for 30 seconds before powering them back on. And don't forget to restart your computer or phone as well. Test multiple devices to see if the problem is isolated. If only one device can't connect, the issue is with that device. If all devices are affected, it's likely your network or internet service provider. Run a speed test using sites like speedtest.net to check if your internet speed matches your plan, as low speeds may indicate network congestions or plan limitations. Additionally, check your ISP's website or social media for any reported outages and try reconnecting to Wi-Fi by forgetting the network on your device and entering the password again. Next, keep your software updated by installing the latest network drivers on your device and updating your router's firmware through its settings. If the problem persists, try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands or changing to a less congested channel. It is also important to scan for malware using antivirus tools, as malicious software can interfere with your connection. If none of these solutions work, contact your ISP for further assistance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.